May I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore, ma'am?
Yeah, my name is Ambika Nathan. We stay in Italy.
How old is your child?
He is around 4 years old.
What were you looking for your child?
So basically, we're looking at the learning part of the kid, So when we put him to the school, basically we would like to know that whether they can talk better English, comprehension, maybe mathematics, tables. So all these things we look in the child.
Which other play schools did you consider?
Not much yet. We just looking at a couple of schools, and this was the one we found nearby, and that is what we want.
Which one did you finally choose and why?
See, as I said, it's close to the house. That's the first thing.
Yeah, it's just 1.5 kilometers.
Yeah, basically we never thought about the teaching. I mean, it's just like you just target something, and if you get it, it's good. If not, you have to look somewhere else.
And basically it is like it's quite a homely environment, and the ambience is really good. So we chose this as a best one.
How is your experience been with Genius Kids?
Excellent.
It's really good, because he can do so many things for his age. That's something different.
Yeah, which the other students, when we compare to some other schools, the school is the best because it has most of the things which other school students have not done.
Yeah. I mean, if you compare
the age
from a different school, I mean, the amount of learning what he's got is much better than other schools.
Based on experience, tell me two best things what you like about Genius Kids.
I think one is the learning part of it. I mean, learning is much better than most of the other schools. Second thing is, I think they come up with innovative things like your Red Day, some events, all these things.
Anything that could be better?
Maybe
the language part.
Because
the teachers has to interact in English, because here particularly they speak in Kannada. That is.
You can see some of the influences
in Kannada. Otherwise, everything is fine.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you recommend Genius Kids to the other parents?
I think we would give 5.
5.
Thank you so much.
Sure.